Yeah. But yeah, we and boom, you will be at the track with nitrous on a slow ass motor. But
I'm
you'll
fine
be
with
able
that.
to feel that juice work. You
Yes.
you might break the rear end still.
Yes.
So you'll be able to break something
I'm
probably.
fine breaking shit.
That's what we need. Some that we just
That's part
need
of
you
the
to
game.
break some shit.
Yeah. I don't care about the breaking shit. I want to be in the shit. To me, it's about I don't have an end goal with it. To me, it's about the process, the whole process from start to finish of racing and working on my own car. And I'm starting from zero knowledge.
Yeah.
So I just need guidance. Point me in the right direction and let me go.
Yeah.
I'm not looking for somebody to build my car for me. You know what I mean? I'm looking more to steal somebody's knowledge because I don't have that. So as long as I'm I don't care if I make mistakes and shit, as long as I'm asking the right questions and aiming in the right direction.
Oh shit, I forgot about this race, fool. I had that 360 camera in there. You ever seen that? I don't even know if I won this race. What happened? Shit's a new race to me. Damn, that old Mustang be looking good. Why I
Looks like
ain't
you won.
turning the wheel?
Yeah, I was gonna say it looks like you won.
Yeah.
That thing was hopping.
I don't even remember racing that.
Look how bouncy you were in there. Bang, 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 bang.
Man, I'm gonna get my suspension redone when I come back out. Yeah, fool, but that's how you'll have to do it. Come out. I'm talking about get that car, intake, just spray that 305 in that motherfucker. If the juice right, it's gonna still hold up a little bit. It's gonna tear up, but shit. You gonna get you some passes out there, ho. Everything can
Yeah.
take nitrous. Everything in my book. Anything can take a Honda shot.
So I need to start learning how to sell cars, apparently. Buy and sell cars. So that I can make money to pay for a race car.
Yeah.
That's what I'm gonna have to start doing.
LS can take 100. LS take way more than 100 shot. Yeah, see, if I was you, I'd get that. Oh, this was a long time ago when that security worked there. I remember her.
Oh yeah. That's old.
Yeah. So, damn, they ain't even had no light right there.
There's Beth right there.
Yeah, they ain't even had no. Damn, look how many people I had online.
How many was it?
Five.
Nice. Oh yeah, I see it up there. I was like, "Where's the number?"
5 people used to be in my chat, fool.
Hey, that's where I was at for a long time.
That mean I can replay this. Look at I forgot I had my dog with me too. Where them damn glasses at?
Little camshaft.
I need to get my damn. That was little Cam. Yeah. But yeah, get that bitch, put you some motherfucking juice on it, and start. Shit. That's the quickest way to have fun. Get a running car. That's the
Okay, a
quickest
running
goal.
car.
You need a
Whoa. You all right?
Yeah. That was my mic.
Scared the shit out of me.
It's okay. Yeah, so yeah, the first thing your goal need to be get a running car and put some juice on it. That's our goal. And we need to be installing juice. You ain't trying to put no motor together.
Okay. Ow. Running car, add the nitrous.
Yeah, you ain't trying to.
What a V6? Does that work?
I mean, a V6 can work, but shit, man, I'm trying to put some more juice on that bitch.
Okay.
You know what? I know what a cheap car. Uh, it ain't one of the cars you usually see every day, and I ain't never broke one. But I
Okay.
know they do run an Infinity
Yeah.
Q45. Look for one of them.
A Q45.
Them bitches love that nitrous, boy. Say it got a V8, and the transmission listen when you shift it. Transmission listen. You bump
Oh
second, that
damn,
bitch
these are
gonna.
cheap.
Oh yeah, you got to get the right year though.
What? Okay, what year am I looking for?
About a 90, 90 through 93. No 94 and up.
Oh, okay, okay. These are all newer
You
ones.
don't want the one with you want the one with no grill on it. That's the one. The one that ain't got no grill. That bitch they're gonna get somewhere. I've been wanting to get one of them anywhere again. Boy, I used to put juice on them bitches. Where my music go? I lost all my music, yeah.
All right, so we're looking for a 99.
Garage band. Okay.
Ooh. You want to go to Memphis?
Hell no, I don't want to go to Memphis. Oh, well, I do need to go to Memphis.
You want to pick up a $1,500 Q45 and 99? Oh, you said not 90.
No,
No, it couldn't be. Shit. Why'd I look for 99, man? I'm stoned.
we need
You
a
said
90.
90 through 94.
No 94.
90 through
94 gonna
93.
have, yeah, 94
Okay.
gonna have that grill. That's probably the cheapest. The bad about it is you can't really do nothing. You really can't do nothing but put this juice on it like we talking about.
Yeah.
So if you want to do more than that, not the car. But shit, this could be a daily car that you could ride around with AC,
Right.
photo, and shit. I
Fuck
know
around
what
at the
it'll. I
gut.
know what it'll run with a. I know what it'll run. I used to put a 100 shot on it, but shit, I always wanted to do a damn shit. I
Let's
want
go
to do more.
150, bro.
Yeah, let's do 150 when you get yours.
Yeah, let's try that. And if that works, why not go two? You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, it probably just needs some bigger injectors. I think it
Yeah.
can do.
Okay.
Or we'll just
That's
put a
what I
wet
need.
shot on that bitch. We'll just go wet. I was doing dry, and that bitch will run. Well, I'm telling you. Usually man, that bitch run, boy. Yeah, I think with a 150 shot, it'll whoop a probably like a 2010 Camaro. That bitch gonna get them numbers.